So I found this platform called Glamour, and in this video I'll be doing a review to find out whether this platform is legit or scam. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you will get the full information on how this particular platform works and whether it is a legit platform that you can earn on or a scam. Now let's go straight into it. Firstly, this is the website of the platform right here. This is glamourofficial.com.ng. as you can see right here. You can check out the details right here. Now we'll go firstly to one of the reasons why we are on this page now. Now this is a real-time showcase of the top earners on Glamour platform right here. As you can see, this is Chamaka, this is Emeka, and so some other people. Now what are they doing to earn on this platform? Now Chamaka is doing Glamour. Samuel is on Glam status, which means he posts on his status to earn. Emeka is on Glam Fitness, and so on and so forth. Now as you can see right here, the earnings of these people keep increasing with time. As you can see, it keeps increasing with time. So which means these people are currently actively earning and they are withdrawing. So this is one of the facts that actually make me to know that this particular platform is legit, because there are real users on this platform and those real users are actually making money in real time right now, as you can see. Now another thing that you have to note right here is that this platform is transparent. Now you can check right here and see that this platform currently has about 2,000 users currently earning live on the platform. So which means these 2,000 users are active right now and they are earning on the platform. So this is a visual proof that this platform is transparent, to tell you that we have so amount of people on this platform. And this is another proof to tell you that this platform is not looking for crowd. They are not looking for members. They are looking for people that are ready to earn on the platform. You understand? So as you can see, they have over 2,000 people on their platform right now, and they are so intentional about the number of users on their website. So they don't accept too many number of users that they cannot pay out. Instead, they accept the right amount of users that they can pay out over the long run. As you can see right now, these users are currently earning in real time. As you can see, their balances are increasing in real time. So this is the platform's website right now, and let us check out, okay, how does this platform work? Okay, what is this platform now? Glamour is an European institute that partners with Africans to showcase your lifestyle, creativity, your daily habits, and you get paid for doing just that. So basically you get paid for showcasing your lifestyle, your culture, and get paid for doing just that on Glamour. Now what are the various features or jobs that you can actually perform on Glamour and actually earn from it? Now right here, these are a few of them. This is the Glam box. Now Glamour isn't just about showcasing your lifestyle, it's also a gateway to real remote jobs. Now basically what this means is you get access to remote jobs on this particular platform, Glamour platform, and these remote jobs can pay you up to €5 per task. So basically each job that you perform on this particular platform can pay you from €2 up to €5 per tax. Now this is very massive. Now the next one is the Glam status. Now post your daily vibes, post memes, post moments, post status on your WhatsApp, and you get paid for doing that. Why do you get paid for doing that? Because you connect with these European users and they view your status. Now once they view your status, you get paid for that. So basically this involves you posting or connecting your WhatsApp to the Glamour platform, and after doing that, all you have to do is to go ahead and post whichever content that they recommend for you to post. And once you post this, or once you make this post, you earn up to €2 per hour you do this. So imagine earning €2 per post you actually make on this particular platform. Now let's move on. The next one, Glam Fitness. Now it says here, basically what this means is the platform rewards you for showcasing your fitness routines, your health routines, your skincare routines, and so on. And the next one, Glam FaceTime. Now this one is very simple. Let me read that for you. Get paid with European users and start earning with Glam FaceTime. You can chat, call, give lifestyle advice, and even help out virtually, and you earn euros for doing just that. Basically you connect with these people and you can chat with them, you can communicate with them, and you get paid for doing just that. Now the last one is the Glam Lingua. Now this Glam Lingua involves you training AI models, but let me read it out for you. Now speak your local language and get paid for doing just that. On Glamour you can showcase and teach your local languages, Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, and earn in euros for doing just that. Now basically you are teaching this your Yoruba language, Hausa, to AI models on the platform, or you're teaching it to users on the platform, and whoever wants to learn the language will pay a certain fee, and that certain fee is what they pay you on the other end. So basically all you have to do is to go into the platform. So that's exactly how you can earn through the various features available on the Glamour system. So basically this is all the proof that you need. Firstly, the platform is transparent, showing active users earning on the platform presently. They also show the top users on the platform, which are currently earning through various activities on the website right now. As you can see, it's ranked from number 1 to 7, so there are basically 7 top earners. There are still people under them, but basically there are 7 top earners that are currently earning at this current time on the platform, and they're getting paid for doing it. So you can see that this platform is well organized and it is a legit platform to join and start making money on in 2026. Now, to get registered on this platform, all you have to do is to take note of the amount for registration. Now, to get registered, you have to pay a one-time payment of 14,000 naira to get registered on the platform. If you convert it to euros, it will be about 7 euros to get registered on the platform. And immediately after making your one-time payment of 14,000, you get full access to Glamour gigs on the platform. You get higher rates for media taxes, which means any social media tax like the gram status and the others, you get higher pays for doing that. You also get scale up and mentorship access, which means you get total mentorship on this platform. You also get Glam FaceTime social rewards and 247 support priority, which means you get access to a support personnel 247 that will be able to guide you. So to get registered, all you have to do is to click on get premium access. You go over here and put in your name, your email and your password. Now I'll do that right now. After doing that, I'll show you the next step. Then I just created a new account on Glamour platform right now, but if you try to earn on this account, you see activate your account to unlock this feature, activate your account to unlock this feature. So I cannot currently earn on this particular account because it is not yet active. So to activate the account, all I have to do is to click this place that says activate. I'll click on it right now and it will take me to this particular page. Take note of the instructions on this page so that you don't make a mistake while registering. Now all you have to do is to make a payment of 14,000 naira to the account below. Once you make this payment, you click on I have made payment and you'll be directed to a Glamour merchant. Now this Glamour merchant is also a support personnel, so he'll be guiding you on how you can actually perform jobs and earn on Glamour platform. So all you have to do is to go ahead, make a payment to the account details below. Immediately after doing that, you click on I've completed this payment. Once you message them, all you have to do is to drop a screenshot of your payment received. Once you do that, you will be granted access immediately. So immediately after your registration, all you have to do is to go back to your account and your account will be activated. Let me show you guys how my account looks right now. Now as you can see right here, this is my account on Glamour right here. I've made over 1.7 million on this platform right now. So basically immediately after activating your account will look something like this and you can go ahead and earn and withdraw on the platform. Now let me try and make a withdrawal on my account right now. Okay, and I'll be making a withdrawal of 700,000. As you can see right here, I'll click on continue and my withdrawal has been processed. This is a withdrawal of 700,000 directly to my account. So you can see how easy it is to actually get registered on this platform. So my final conclusion is that this particular platform is legit because firstly, I also have students on this platform who are currently making good figures on this platform, as you can see right here with the screenshots on your screen. I also have proof that the platform is transparent, which means the platform is showing current active users earning on the platform right here. So this alone proves that the platform is transparent and is aimed at user satisfaction. So that will be all for the video. In conclusion, Glamour platform is a legit platform to go into and make money on the side. You can actually pick this update up as a side hustle and actually earn money from performing simple jobs on the side. Now if you want to get registered on this platform, go to the website on your screen right now, glamourofficial.com.ng, or if you need proper guidance and you don't want to register on your own, then go to the description of the video or the comment section of the video right now. You can click the Telegram DM link right now. It will take you to my Telegram DM where I'll be able to properly guide you on how to get registered and how to start earning on the platform. So that will be all for the video. Hope you picked up 1 or 2 information from the video, and that will be all for the video. I'll be see you guys in the next one.